How are you going to do my makeup like this?
That's a really good question.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, is this Sarah?
Hey, Sarah, it's Tati.
Oh my god, hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I am so good. I'm actually filming right now and answering this call while I'm filming. Do you mind if it's in the video?
Oh my god, no.
Okay,
I don't.
awesome. I just had to check. Okay, so I am hosting a very special dinner on Saturday, and I would love for you to come.
Oh my god. I totally can.
Okay, awesome. So we will be emailing you additional details as far as the address and anything else you might need to know, but it is literally like 17 people, so it's a very small thing, and we'll get time to chat and hang out and have a good meal, and it's gonna be great.
Oh my god, I'm freaking out. Okay.
I'm so excited to meet you.
Oh, I'm so excited to meet you too.
All right, well, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you on Saturday.
You too. See you Saturday.
All right, bye.
Bye.
That is the cutest.
That was
I
cute.
live
Cool.
for that.
Yeah.
Like, I love that so much. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I have full backup here with me. I have Larissa and Sabrina. Sadly, Erica, where are you? I know you're gonna watch this and you're gonna be like, yeah, boo, where are you? So there's one more, but it's pretty much a duplicate of this one. Sabrina has an identical twin, but they are going to be doing my makeup today. What are you guys gonna do, actually?
Okay, so
Oh, okay. Hello.
created a list. Larissa and I kind of talked earlier
what,
today.
are you serious?
And it's called What Would Tati Do? We put down the order of things that we believe you would.
let's see
put
how
your
many they
makeup
get
on.
right.
Okay, all right, okay, cool. Okay, so number one, well, first and foremost, you always wash your face.
Yeah, but I need to take my makeup off right now because I was actually filming a video before this. I did my whole entire makeup with just a beauty blender, like brows included, so I don't think I did half bad. We're gonna see if they can do better.
That's not bad.
I actually don't think this is that bad.
It's not that
okay?
bad.
That
It
takes
actually
skill.
is pretty cool.
It does, right? Like the eyeshadow, everything, the lips, like no fingers, no brushes. So I will link that below. That was yesterday's video. And I think I need to remove the makeup so they can have like a fair chance to get this whole thing going.
Moisturizer. Where's your moisturizer?
I don't think I have one down here.
Oh, come on.
Well, we can
I
do.
know, right?
Should we do like a?
Well,
we can
hold
do like
on.
a
Wait, that comes to my next idea here.
I mean, I
Okay.
might have moisturizer.
Primer.
I should.
like a primer.
Oh, girl, I have
Okay,
primer.
so we
Oh,
all know
well-
you have tons of primer.
At this point, I could prime a house. like no joke.
Lacquer the walls.
No joke. Just get like the sponge roller in there and start painting. Okay.
Ooh, she should be so extra.
Yes.
This is matching the theme of your week. Bobbi Brown Extra.
Am
She's
I
extra.
You're extra.
It's good to be extra.
Do I embarrass you guys when like I go to our home? I have a habit of literally waking up and like full glam, high heels, outfit, and they're like, "We're going to IHOP. Can you just like please turn it down a little?" You know? Okay, so this is pretty much a look into what our childhood was like. Someone was always getting their makeup done or drawing.
Well, let's
or,
just clarify
you know.
here, okay?
do
You two would do Eric and I's makeup, not in a very nice way.
Shh! That's not true. That is not true.
Can we say clowns?
I practice clown makeup every now and again.
Every
I got
now
it.
and again, yeah, we got some good photos of that somewhere.
Yeah.
Um,
I don't know what's happening right
beep,
here.
beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep. Oh, you're so cute. All right, so you guys said
Okay.
primer.
Okay.
I'm just waiting for her to stop and be like, what are you doing? I can't. Can you turn your face this way?
I'm just looking at the monitor so that I'm seeing what you are doing.
It doesn't
Don't
matter.
worry. It's
It's
not
the
clown
end result
makeup.
that matters.
Oh,
Yeah.
I like that.
Ooh,
Ooh.
gross. That's
Oh,
don't use
ew,
that.
Bobbi. Ew. Maybe no.
Come on, Bobby, get
Well, I
it
think
right.
you need to
Maybe no.
shake it up.
Bobbi.
Well, that's kind of cool.
Well, this one now
Yeah, it
it's
just
coming
took-
out.
it just
Okay.
took it.
I have so many veins that are like popping on my forehead.
Ooh, this is kind of highlighter-y too. It's kind of got a little.
So we've hit moisturizer, not really. Primer. Oh, contour.
Yeah, that's all. I don't
Go
contour.
for it. Go for it.
So this one's intimidating.
Tap 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 tap.
Oh,
tap, tap,
good
tap, tap.
job.
Yeah, she's doing a really good job.
It
I
looks
can
really
tell,
nice,
right?
actually. Yeah.
Wow.
More.
Ooh.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah.
You get an A+.
Yeah, good
This is
work.
nice work. I like
All right,
it.
let me get your nose.
Okay, so do you have any like embarrassing stories that you'd like to embarrass me with on my channel?
So we would play hide and go seek, and we would play in our bedroom. She was hiding one time, and she decided to put a hanger inside a jacket.
Children don't
and
do this.
hang up in the closet like an article of clothing.
So
And so my dad walked in, and he was so mad. He was like, "What are you guys doing?" And he literally went over to the closet and picked up the hanger and walked out of the room with you on the hanger.
It's like
Now, I
the-
don't know how that thing didn't bust.
This is the best story ever.
I was in like a really big snow parka, that's how.
But yeah.
Oh my gosh,
that
it's the
was
best
funny.
story ever.
And then I had to stand in the corner with the parka on.
While we all laughed. Okay, I have just kind of a funny story. It's not even a funny story necessarily about you, Tati, but do you remember the staircase when we used to have like the blow up crayons from the fair and we
Would ride right down the stairs.
So
Pretty
when
much.
we would go to any like county fair, we would really eyeball any of the like blow up plastic
Ugh.
things, like the big blow up Crayola crayons or a lollipop or whatever. And we would be like, we want that. And mom and dad are like, what? Like, you, out of everything, that's what you want? And we're like, yeah, we want one of those. And I feel like we all knew, like, when we would be alone, like in the afternoon, what we were going to
yeah.
do.
Oh, yeah.
And it was going to be going down the staircase on them. I so remember that.
Yeah.
That was a
Okay,
good one.
what's the next step?
Okay, so
Okay.
the next thing I wrote down here on our list was I skipped to eyes.
Okay.
I don't know, do you do foundation next? Like what do you do?
You guys are giving me a makeover, so you guys tell
Do
me.
eyes, but make sure you get a primer for her eyes.
What's makeup ooh. Let's just do a I'm probably gonna she's just gonna what?
You should like say the name of it, like a YouTuber.
Oh, here's Sigma. What? That's what you said. I'm not a YouTuber. I don't. Oh, sorry.
Oh
Hold on.
gosh.
Here we go.
Oh.
See?
See?
Do you see?
Look.
Oh, which one are you going to use on the eyes? You have to swatch it on your hand.
Anastasia.
Say Anastasia.
Anastasia.
No, it's Anastasia.
Oh, stop it! Stop it! That's like when people say like toddy, like with a D.
Toddy.
They're like toddy.
Hey,
No,
Tati,
it's like
how's
no,
it
it's like
going?
Thai. It's like, do you know how to say the word Tati? And they're like, yeah, Tati. And you're like, no, Tati.
Oh my god, she does
Tati?
it.
No, it's
She does
Tati.
it so perfect. I can't handle
No,
that.
this is like an acquaintance. It wasn't a close friend of mine, but her name, no joke, it was Brittany. And you had to say it like that.
Oh man.
I know, I couldn't. And every time I like, Brit, I hate myself. I'm just not going to say your name.
Brittany.
Brittany. To all the Brittany's out there, I love you. I just have a hard time because my brain wants to tell me to say it differently, you know?
Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Oh, jeez. Yeah. Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, I didn't mean to do that.
That's okay.
Well, we'll
you know,
fix
well,
it.
that's like when I went over to the UK to do Fleur's wedding makeup, like a very long time ago.
Mm-hmm.
And over there with the British accent, my name sounds like Tarty, which is like slang
Right.
for kind of a
Right.
wild woman, you know? And so everybody would be like, what is your name? And I'm like, Tati. And they're like, Tati. And I'm like, Tati. And it just, everybody would kind of poke a little fun at that. And I'm like, oh, this is horrible. And then my name also means daddy in another language. Someone tweeted me a picture of my name translated on their YouTube, and my banner actually said daddy. And I'm like, oh, that's interesting.
Wow. All right, Daddy.
Right?
All right, I don't know what I'm doing here. We're just gonna see what happens.
I know what this is, an Anastasia.
See, I'm only being
But
videotaped.
do it just on the edges. Like,
right here.
That sounds really strange.
I mean, I don't like scrutiny, right?
Oh
Like,
God, I know, right?
Yeah, I know you live it, and I don't know how
I
you
sure
live it.
do.
People have too much time to criticize.
You
It's
do.
frustrating, right?
Right?
Yeah, it's just silly.
It just makes me genuinely confused because I'll read one comment and it'll be like, you're funny. I'll be like, oh, cool, thanks. Another comment, you're boring. And I'm like, oh, I'm kind of boring. I know. Another comment says, you're really obnoxious. And I'm like, I just don't really know what I am. Like, I just
What
wanna
am
know.
I?
You know, like,
Do you love me? Do you hate me?
I don't know. And it makes me feel like second guess yourself a little bit of like, am I too boring? Maybe I'll turn it up. No. A lot of people think I'm obnoxious. Like, don't do that. It's taken me a long time to be able to sit here and just be. Like, I prefer to just not give it power, not give it energy, and do what I can to like guard myself and like just move forward.
It's always the few, not the many,
It's
too.
not-
It's always the few.
It's not easy though.
Yeah.
I mean, one time I had in my DMs a hater that wasn't even a person, it was a cat. And I was like,
Oh, I remember you telling me about that.
someone has a cat account and they're like hating. It's actually really funny.
Okay, so this is Mac Teddy. I feel like I'm gonna poke you in
Yeah,
the
I have
eye.
one good eye and one bad one. Say my name, when no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. Why is that stuck in my head? Was someone playing that?
I cannot do this way.
You want me to go like this?
Yeah.
Ow.
Oh, sorry. I didn't get you that hard. Oh, that's not, it's actually kind of nice.
Ow!
Oh my gosh.
You're so dramatic.
This is really reminiscent of childhood. Oh, stop doing that to me.
Right.
Stop.
So foundation.
Do you have any funny stories to tell about us?
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, no, I have the best story ever. Way back when, we would like prank each other as kids. Larissa was like the glamorous older sister who, of course, got to start going on dates and whatnot earlier than we did because we were younger. And she was going on a date and she was about to leave the house.
Oh my god, I remember this.
And
This was
she
really bad.
was gonna go into my room and grab something. She goes on the doorknob and like tries to open the door, and she's like this, and she's like, I think that we had watched like Home Alone or something, and like it was
Oh
a
my
bad
gosh.
influence. Because you're
Probably.
like mom, and like mom came and like helped you, and we were trying to remove the super glue from your hand. It was all like crunchy
Yeah.
and gross.
Yep.
And Erica and Sabrina are both like, we're so sorry.
Oh.
We're so sorry. That wasn't meant for you. It was meant for Tati. And I'm in the corner like, I didn't even get it, but I wanted to like seek revenge.
I think honestly, we were just a bunch of performers. We kept each other busy and
Oh yeah. I like went around the neighborhood and I tried to recruit all the kids in my neighborhood into my dance troupe. My best friend, Michelle, her brother came back from some kind of like sports
Turn your head this
thing
way.
or something over in China, and he came back with a bunch of Zoomies stickers, and we didn't know what Zoomies was. We thought it was just like a weird name. We're like, that's what we're gonna call our club. And so we went door to door with a like little notepad, and we're like,
Zoomies club.
would you like to join our performance group? Are there any kids that live here? We'd put on performances for like our parents, but
Yep.
we were always doing that kind of stuff.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
so funny.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Right?
Oh, yeah.
Wait,
Things
can
that
I
we
tell
know.
my fever story? I had such a crazy fever, and I remember this being like such an embarrassing moment that I like thought about it for a long time after. I went downstairs into our kitchen, and my mom and dad are there, and I literally sit at one of the seats at the dining room table, and I'm like pulling my pants down like it's a toilet. And my mom's like, oh no, like you're in the wrong room, and like helps me. And I was not even like aware of anything I was doing or where I was.
remember this.
But all I see in my brain when I kind of like came to what was going on is you laughing, and you were like holding an apple, and you're just like. And then I remember going up the stairs, and this is not anything that I normally would say, but I went up the stairs and I was like, oh, geez Louise. And then in my mind, and I was so little, I was like, why did you say that? like really.
Okay, so now we need to bake, right? Good?
And now we bake. Yeah,
I guess
that's
that's
great.
all I'm gonna bake.
That's great. Do you guys watch any other YouTubers? Who do you watch? You guys barely even watch my channel.
No, we
whatever.
watch your channel.
Nope, I watch your channel.
We watch your channel. I've just watched some of the other, I guess, bigger YouTubers too that you're kind of connected to.
I don't think there's anybody on there that I really watch other than you for any real tips. Everything
Right.
else is just kind of
Right.
fun, and it's
Yeah.
fun to watch, and it's fun to watch.
Yeah, that's
You know
true.
what people are wearing and
Yeah.
new products and stuff like that. So, but
What are your favorite videos of mine?
I love the video of you two digging through your Larissa's
she
purse.
was She was just saying
I
that.
love that
yeah.
one. I was dying.
All right, you're up next. I
Yep.
want to dig through your makeup bag.
Oh my gosh, yes. It's really interesting to see what everybody else has, like what their favorite.
Right? Do you know what's funny though? Is it reminds me of a game that we used to play when we were kids. We would each take a piece of paper and a pack of crayons, and we even had this really ridiculous song. Pass around, pass around, pass around. Like, I don't even know
does
why, but you would get to use the color, and then when everybody was done with the color, we'd set it down, and we'd do our little weird song, and we'd pass the color, and then everybody had a chance to use that color once to be a part of their drawing, and then at the end, we'd all show each other our drawing, and it's
And
actually
everybody
pretty
used
cool,
the
right?
same color, so
Yeah.
Yep.
how does that look?
You're really actually pretty good.
Wow.
You could totally do this. Are you
Yeah.
going to start a channel?
Looks really good.
See, this is hard because this brow is easy to do because I'm a lefty.
Yep.
And then when I get to
Yep.
this brow, this is gonna suck. Is it just me or do some of you have like a bad brow?
Oh yeah, I think a lot of people do. I have a bad brow.
This is my bad brow.
Yeah.
Every time
Yeah.
I get to it, I'm like, ugh,
right. You're like this one side is
It
perfection.
doesn't work.
this is just not good. Don't look yet.
Oh, it's that not good. It's not that bad.
It's
Come
not.
on.
What do
It's
you
not
s-
that bad.
No, it's
From
not.
afar.
Just only raise one eyebrow when you're looking.
Here, I can fix this real quick.
Okay.
See, we just gotta not be fearful to bridge the gap there.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Now we need blush.
That's fine.
that's interesting. Okay, there we go. You used to be so good at this. What happened? Did I just stop doing it very often? Is that what it was?
I think if you did it more often, you'd feel more like ready to explore with it. I really think anybody can be great with makeup.
I think it just takes, yeah, I think
just
you're right.
takes
Just spending a little bit
time,
of
you know?
time. Mm-hmm.
Because you learn what works, what doesn't, and you wash it off and you start again. So you have every opportunity to get better and better with it.
Okay, so we're gonna try this. I don't even know how this will look,
Okay.
but we'll give it a shot.
La 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 la
Very
la, la, la.
cool. Very cool.
Yes, they want it.
No, good job. Wow. I'm learning this, that Miss Sabrina is pretty good
Yes.
at this stuff.
Good work.
Sneaker
All
makeup
right,
artist.
ladies, I'm ready to go to the mall.
Hey,
Let's
do
do
it.
Oh wait, we need to, let's all set our faces with setting spray.
All right. Oh, yeah.
All of us at the same
Okay.
time.
Wait, mine's not going. I feel like I didn't get too much.
So refreshing. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love filming with my sisters, and hopefully one of these days we can get the fourth sister here. Erica, we missed you so much. If you guys enjoyed this, please make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell. I am here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at 10 a.m. PST. All right, thank you guys so much. This was the best.
I know, this was
This
so
is the
great.
best.
I love this. I've been waiting for this one.
I know. All right, off to the mall we go. All right, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Mwah.